Hi, my name is Kevin Retcher, owner of First Meridian Mortgage, and today what I want to talk about is practice. Practice, practice, practice. That's what makes all the pros exceptionally great at what they do, right? And today I want to bring that idea of practice into home ownership. And what I mean by that is I want to stress the importance of a new home buyer prior to purchasing, prior to getting pre-approved, prior to just living life, start using a budget. My father used to keep a ledger when it came to his bills, and he would write down every expenditure that he would do throughout the course of a month. We actually have books after books after books on that. And these days, there's, of course, a little bit simpler way. So today, what I want to talk about is budgets, budgets, budgets. For you being a brand new home buyer, I can't stress enough the concept of practice. And what I mean by that is I highly recommend before you even meet with a loan officer to actually figure out your monthly budget over a 2 or a 3 month period of time. You can go to freddiemac.com or myhome.freddiemac.com, and they have some great resources for first-time home buyers. Just type in budget. And if you go here and you just hit blank PDF, you'll get a worksheet that looks like this. And in general, what this is going to do is give you the ability to write down all your expenditures for the entire month. And you just simply want to do that over a couple month period. Have a budget, have what you actually spent. See at the end of the month how much money is actually left over. And what I really want to see people do is you put in what that rent is, and then actually practice what you might think your mortgage payment might be. So what you could do is, after you've gotten this budget actually filled out for a month or two, and then you go meet with a loan officer, right? You can simply plug and play what that new mortgage payment is going to be. If you want a $400,000 house, put in what that mortgage payment is, and then put the additional money away. In other words, if your rent's $2,100 and you want a $3,000 mortgage, that means $900 you should be able to save next month just by using that budget. So you can also use that same process and try to figure out how much money you need to save for your down payment and your closing costs after you've spoken with your loan officer, and use those same parameters to, one, set a budget, two, live by that budget, and three, help save for the home of your dreams. So I highly recommend using a budget 2 or 3 months before you meet with a loan officer, and then do it for 2 or 3 months after meeting with the loan officer if you're not where you need to be. And this can be a great way to, over a very short period of time, one, practice being a homeowner, and two, save for that home of your dreams. My name is Kevin Retcher, owner of First Meridian Mortgage. This is a tip on how to use a budget before, after, and during home ownership.